Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Haus.com. I'm on a homepage, and I love the professional logo, the nicely optimized above default, so I can see the sliding images as soon as I land on your website. I can see your products, I can see call to action, taglines, call to action linked to the relevant content on the website, which is perfect. Okay, very nicely optimized. The images look very professional. The featured collection or the featured products look very nice. Shopper Spring collection, so it's up to date. The promotional content is up to date. Really nice designs, professionally taken photos. Perfect. I love this image. So it shows three different women that you cater to all types of women. Perfect. You're our inspiration. Okay, I would just optimize this content, add call to action linking to the relevant collection or to the relevant content. So each area on your website is optimized to convert. Okay, nicely personalized tagline asking people to subscribe, so it's quite appealing. Very stylish Instagram feed, looks really nice. And the footer is beautifully organized. It is user friendly. It's got additional navigation with store policies. Perfect. You open the social media links in your tabs, which is excellent. Your shipping policy looks great. You've got professional email address. It is hyperlinked. You inform how long is the shipping. I understand that you're based in the UK. Also, make sure to specify how much is the shipping, what is the cost. Even if you offer free shipping, remember to specify it in your shipping policy. This is the first information people will be looking for. So remember to make it easy to find, to ease the buying process, speed up the buying process so people can quickly find the information they need to complete the purchase, because if they have to go through this content, it is not very user friendly. It will slow down the whole checkout process, the whole buying process. It can be quite off-putting, so make sure to make this kind of information easy to find and proceed with buying from you. The refund policy, it is unique, which is excellent. You include your return address. This is very authentic. You build your trust, you build your authority as a brand with physical address, so it's not a dropshipping brand. Very nice. Okay, shop looks great. Let's have a look at the collection and the product page. The collection page looks really nice. The product images are cropped to the same height, so they display in one line. The images are they switch on the hover, which is excellent. They are very nicely photographed products. It's really nice. The product page looks excellent. There is buy with PayPal button displayed above the fold. The product title is SEO friendly. Unique product descriptions, very nice. The images are really professional. Yeah, really nice. If anything I could add at this stage is to add another payment gateway instead of PayPal. I know that PayPal can be a little bit gimmicky if you work with them a long time, can be a little bit can get messy, and while shoppers like it, many shoppers really don't mind using a different payment gateway. So if you notice any problems with PayPal, it's a good idea to start sourcing an alternative payment gateway now, such as Stripe is very reliable. It's available in the UK, obviously, and it's a good idea to have this kind of safety net just in case. Contact us page looks excellent as well. Your SEO is only 49 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The meta title and meta description, so this is Google snippet displayed in the search results. It needs more details. You need to define your meta title and meta description. So this is this listing. It is often the first thing people see when they come across your brand. So make sure to specify what really makes you unique, what makes you stand out from other competitors that people will see in the search results. Remember to add more characters to meta description, up to 165 characters. Add call to action such as shop now, so when people see it, they are intrigued with information, they want to click it, they want to find out more, and they want to shop with you. So remember to optimize this Google snippet not only for the home page, but for every piece of content such as pages, blog posts, products, collections, and so on. Your keyword consistency could be a little bit better. For some reason, the most repeated word is icon. However, you would need to rank mm, for more for more specific keywords to help you get more relevant traffic, such as women's tops, women's dresses, luxury, premium, clothing, something like that. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.